Hello. Oh. Okay, that's supposed to have dumped the stuff over here.
Right now.
There.
Oh, cool. Good job she can see what's going on inside. He probably has to be up a little higher to see those balls.
Yeah, but he didn't want to stand up.
Did you really hold them?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, look. Oh, it goes in there, and now, whoop. It gets dumped in here, and now this is going to take a dump truck. And Dan's going to drive his dump truck over here. And then Steve's going to drive his loader. Oh, it goes into the dump truck. And now the dump truck's going to take it and put it back in the hopper.
Miles.
Look at how it backs up.
You can zoom out.
Whoa.
Reminds me of a mousetrap game or something.
I know. And it keeps on going.
Yeah.
Dump truck.
I don't know if I can knock these out if they
Yeah.
Now you're getting the reaction you would want.
Oh. Yeah, it's going to take the loader over there. Oh. Awesome.
In a way, I think it's maybe cooler so way for like me and Eric to watch. Because there's nothing really to do with it, you know?
Yeah.
It's like a walking toy. And all of the reviews are like, there's no educational value. But it's awesome.
The dump truck's going to turn around, and then it's going to back up and dump it into the Well, I know, and how brilliant is this for $17? This is like way more than $17 worth of entertainment to me. Yeah. Oh, and here comes the dump truck again. We're going to get the dump truck ready. Yeah. Whoa. Now the dump truck has to turn around and dump it out in there.
Might get around to the surrounding this too. Okay, nothing's changed. If I got you some down, you're still okay. What's happening here? A dump truck?
Just going at the dump truck.
Hey.
Uh-oh.
There goes the truck with the dirt in it.
Hey.
Goes in the hopper.
Oh, did you bring my with you?
See that big truck?
Hey, Grandpa, he wants you to see the truck. The big dump truck. See what's happening here.
Uh-oh.
Goes the dirt.
For heaven's sake. Yeah.
The digger.
Steve drives the front loader.
Steve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. Sure, don't shoot.